Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnu from Dr. Arshnu's IELTS Institute. Today I'm going to give you some of the idioms, phrases for advice, which would be used in the speaking part, or you may write these in the writing part, or it may be used in the daily conversation also. Let's start. The first is I am at a loss. This means I am confused. I'm not getting the solution from a problem. He may say that, can you give me some solution? Can you give me some advice? Because I am at loss. I'm totally confused. Second could be a word in your ear. This means when you are secretly or friendly giving some advice to someone, not showing by to other people, at the time we use this idiom. Third could be that don't bite more than you can chew. This means one should not do anything or take anything which is beyond his limits, or he cannot do that. Suppose you're eating something, your mouth is full and you're not able to chew anything. Similarly, we can use this idiom that you should not overburden yourself with your work or anything. And suppose you're spendthrift, do not spend that much that you are not able to pay. So this idiom could be best used at that place. Learn to walk before you run. So it is better that you should take small steps. Do not start running immediately because you may have a fall. As we know that the infants, they start crawling, then they become toddlers, then they start taking some leaps. After that, they start running. So it's always better if you're learning something, first of all, take some small steps, only then you should run. The next could be give it your best shot, means do your best. This means that this is the time when you have to give the best shot. If you're going to appear in some exam or you are going to some competition, at that time it may be an advice for someone, or you're giving best wishes to someone that give your best shot. Then think before you leap or jump. It is very, very important that one has to think twice or think properly before he is taking any step in his life. It's very, very important that you should not jump or rush into any matter, any new thing, any new task before thinking properly or considering it properly in your way. Then you can say, to give you 2 cents, to give you opinion or advice. So, hey, me ask someone that, can you please give me 2 cents, or can you give me your important advice? Now I'm giving you some of other sentences, some other idioms for this. It is a good piece of advice. It could be follow your instincts. Follow your instincts means follow your feelings. Sometimes we are in dilemma because at that time there is a struggle between mind and your brain. At that time, you should follow your instincts, means you should follow your feelings, then take the decision. A bit of advice, then a friendly piece of advice. It could be a welcome advice and a completely different advice. In this way, you can use certain idioms for advice. And the last one is make hay while the sun shines, means take the best advantage of something when it occurs. Suppose you are having any good opportunity, so you should take the best advantage of at that time. Hope this video will help you to get some of the ideas, some of the words, phrases and idioms on advice. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, just subscribe it right now so that you should get the latest updates on our channel.